Are you real ready? I'm finna jump off the dresser.
You are?
Yes, I'm finna jump off the dresser. What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and today, I'm gonna just act like I didn't do that. I'm gonna cut that out.
What's the word, AJ Squad? It's your girl Angel, and we that. Hold on, I want to redo that. I was just trying to remember. So.
Oh wait.
What's the word, AJ Squad? It's your girl Angel, and
it's your boy Jamar.
Here with a special guest on my channel.
Come on, man. Why you always hit me in my face every time, bro?
Sorry.
Now when I get the ding in your shit with this Vaseline bottle, don't get to saying nothing. No, I'm just playing, baby. Yo, it's always on some attention.
Don't do me like that.
Playing. But anyways, man, so today we're gonna be blowing the gas for the first time on camera, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be blowing, we got the gas right here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and y'all gonna be thinking that's some paper. There ain't no paper, bro.
Oh yeah, there ain't no paper.
What a pound? What a pound?
This is what we use.
What a pound?
We use this, it's called zigzags.
Yeah, we call this.
Oh crap.
We call this the Christmas tree.
That Christmas tree.
Blur that out too.
Hold on, why is it not focusing? But anyways, this zigzag.
Because our face was still showing.
We got filters on it, everything, you know what I'm saying? Boom, we got everything, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit.
Why the light go out? Yeah, I know. But I need what would you do?
But anyways, man, so what we gonna do is, you know what I'm saying, we gonna hit the blunt for the first time, you know what I'm saying, on camera. Boom, boom, boom.
On camera.
You know what I'm saying? And,
joint. We call it a joint.
Yeah, the joint. You know what I'm saying? Cause this like rolling paper. So you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, healthy. The healthy stuff. You know what I'm saying? No tobacco included.
You see that? You see it sparking up already. Look, it's ready.
But yeah, we decided we wanted to do this video. Y'all gonna explain that?
Oh yeah, smoking that gas.
He just wanted to smoke a camera. He ain't even trying to explain to y'all.
Oh yeah, alright.
So what made you want to do this, you know?
Oh yeah, shout out to, you know what I'm saying, Von TV, even though that nigga big enough, he never gonna, you know what I'm saying, we can't give that nigga no clout or nothing. But shout out to him though, you know what I'm saying, for starting this. I think he started it, you know, that was the first person I seen do this video. So basically, we just gonna be blowing the gas on camera, you know what I'm saying? And then, like, we gonna try to rap, you know what I'm saying? We gonna try to do all type of shit, you know what I'm saying? So, we gonna try to, you know what I'm saying, like, see if we, like, you know what I'm saying, can do stuff. Because, like, when we get fried, we don't ever, like, try to do nothing. We just be OD.
I be thinking I'm a rapper.
We just be OD'd on God. I be sitting on the couch like.
Nah, I be thinking I'm
on God.
Well, when I get too, I be loaded. I be just, like, sitting there straight like,
oh God.
Or I go in the bathroom.
Don't let me play the game, boy.
Oh my God.
My bad. Go ahead.
Cause I love being in the mirror, so I'll be in the mirror. I'll be looking at my eyes. I'll be like,
we can be hitting the. All right, we finna just go ahead.
Like I'll be in and out. I'll be like looking at my eyes. I'll be going crazy. You be like, Angel, what are you doing? I'll be doing that for so long, y'all. I swear I don't even be knowing. I'll be in the bathroom for hours just doing it.
Let y'all know that, you know what I'm saying, I hit that gas on God, just that gas.
And also, I like this because it's like, me, you know, us big lip females, you know what I'm saying, like, when it come to them roaches, I ain't going. I be like, you know, I'm done. So when they get, look, I'm done. I'm not finna try to.
Oh God, that's me. If you a real nigga, bro, y'all already know. If you a real smoker, you know what I'm saying, you gotta get every inch of your shit.
On that part.
You gotta get every inch of a hit off your blunt. On God, don't waste not one bit. On God, you gonna get fired. Once she hit the blunt like that, she be like, head ass like some blowfish.
You know, why you know why I be doing it.
Bruh, this mug keep going out. Where the lighter at? It's right here in my face. I'm talking about where the lighter at. Alright, look, this is what we're gonna do. We gonna smoke like half the blunt, and then we're gonna come back. You know what I'm saying? And when we come back, we're gonna be done. We're gonna be fully loaded. I'm gonna show y'all the blunt too. I'm gonna show. I mean the, you know what I'm saying, joint or whatever. I'm gonna show y'all how much we smoke. We don't smoke. Hell, we gonna get OD on God.
I like how my eyes be looking too. Like I be looking like what you say. You said I be looking Chinese or something.
On God.
That'd be funny.
All right, man. We gonna see y'all in the next clip.
I'd be like. But there's a cigarette. I'd be like this. Bro, that's enough, man. Not the more you smoke, you just gonna go to sleep while you think you finna be funny, ugly ass.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh yeah, this shit out.
Damn, bro. You finna fuck it up.
Fuck it up, fuck it up. Hey, shit don't even make up. Hey.
I don't even look like I'm that fried.
Let me call you.
I probably just don't look like it. I don't know. But what we gonna do? I ain't even that fried right now, though. I ain't gonna cap.
I ain't either.
Why she? Hey, oh God! Every time she get to do it, every time we smoke, she get to do it, and she be like, like, what is you doing?
I'm like,
oh God! Then she come over and get to touching me and shit. I be like, what the fuck are you doing? Hey, she funny as hell. Oh God!
you know me so well.
You fried, ain't you? I ain't even that fried, bro. Oh, at least do I look like I'm fried, y'all? Hey, comment down below and ask, tell me if I look like I'm fried. Hold on, take a picture. Hold on, take a picture. That was the gayest shit ever. I would never do that shit again. But she OD.
No, right.
She can't even do that but smile, oh God. Big bacon, big Carolina Reaper head ass fucking ass jacket flaming on your ass, oh God, boy. Get the bacon your ass, oh God, your breath smell like ass and Himalayan salt. Fuck is wrong with you? Like you eat your tooth.
What is Himalayan salt?
This shit we brush our teeth with, the pink stuff. You freaking idiot.
No, it's not. Who brushed their teeth
Himalayan
with
salt.
pink stuff?
It's pink. Ain't you?
What's pink?
Himalayan, bro. Comment down below and tell this girl that she retarded.
He just said that pink stuff. What pink stuff?
Bro, I'm talking
Boy, you hella dumb.
Oh my God, I gotta show you something.
Boy, you a hella dumb. Fish fry head ass, big carpet head ass, ugly ass, face box head ass, ugly ass.
Oh, your ass like a Twizzler. Fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah.
Big chicken bone head ass, big body ass. Fuck is wrong with you? I get the flame on your ass on God.
Boy, you little marker head ass, boy, ugly ass.
Oh God. What the hell am I smiling for, nigga? I'm ugly as hell, oh God.
This smell like alcohol.
Bro, it is, bro. You see it say Sharpie. What do Sharpie mean?
Sharp.
Duh,
It's
like
sharp.
nigga.
It's sharp. It's sharp pie. It's sharp pie.
Sometimes, bro.
And he's still going. This nigga's still going. Y'all see why you can't help fiends? This is what happened. They keep going. Out of control. Look at them.
But what are you talking about?
Out of control. You don't smoke that in my face.
Tell me.
You
What the heck I just say, nigga? Oh God, I'm angry.
He's stupid.
Bro, what type of video is this, bro?
This is what you asked for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. And everybody watching her, but she stared at you. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
That was ugly as hell, nigga.
Killed that.
Stop
We
playing
straight
with me,
did
oh,
that. We did that. We can go on American Idol or something.
You can go on American, shut your ass up. I don't know what the hell you talking about.
I'm serious, like, bro, we could be famous off that.
Like, bro, if y'all think about it, bro.
I don't want to be famous, though. I just want to, get that money, get rich. I don't want to be famous. I heard about the famous people.
What
I'm not taking no risk, bro. I'm not doing that.
Doing what? What are you talking about, bro?
They go through a lot now. I ain't saying nothing. They ain't coming for me.
What are you talking about?
Hey, they ain't coming for me, oh
Bro,
God.
what are you
Like,
talking about?
hey, they ain't coming for me. That's all you need to know. I ain't talking about
You ain't
that.
talking about nothing.
Hey, I'm telling the truth.
Oh, God, you ain't telling shit.
Word. Word.
Oh, God, boy.
Word on God, I'm telling the
I
truth.
get to baking your shit on God.
Like, bruh, I speak all facts. So what are you talking about?
What is it?
You said
What are you
bake.
talking about?
How you gonna bake? What? What you gonna bake?
What are you doing? Bro, stop talking, bro. You stupid.
Oh, for real. Like, hold on.
She's
He
slow,
finna,
bro.
he finna go bake. Like, I'm hungry right now.
She OD.
Like, word, I'm hungry right now. Where is it?
What is it you talking about, bro? Shut up.
You said,
Bro, you talking for no reason, bro.
he said bake some. Oh, bro, I feel it in my abs. Like I just worked out. Hey.
Bro, what is it? You just switched the conversation like, oh,
Got
bro.
your mama running like she getting worked out.
What the fuck are you talking about? She OD. Look at the laughing and shit.
Nah, but they finna say that's trash. But let Chief Keef would have said it a song. Let Lil Durk would have said it wouldn't been trash, right? Okay then, bars.
Nigga, that was bars because you sound stupid. I don't even know what I was finna say. I was just
It feel like when
finna
I
say,
stop, it's like
God.
when I stop breathing, it's like I feel like my heart stopped, but it kept beating.
Ah, yes, yo, indeed. It's time to go. Hold on, I'm finna turn this video off, nigga.
I'm finna call the ambulance,
Oh, God, EMT, nigga.
cause every time I walk, my legs move. Oh my God.
But anyways, man, if y'all like this video, bro, make sure y'all smack that thumbs up button. You know what I'm saying? Comment and subscribe down below. Make sure y'all turn on y'all post notification bell, everything like that, all that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
It's silent time. It's time to pray. Why are you doing all that talking if you ain't praying? If God ain't listening, I don't understand what you're talking for. Oh God, you see what I did? I just preached.
Huh?
Can I get a hand?
A hand for what?
Bro, ain't no other. If you see my hand though, what else am I talking about?
Bro, I don't know what you talking about, bro.
So if I go like that. Give me your leg. Give me your hand.
Bro, what, bro?
I'm trying to save you. I'm trying to save you unless you don't want to be saved.
Bro.
Oh, boom, boom, boom.
Hey, alright, man, we gotta go. Make sure y'all watch all our other videos or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I was doing.
Why would you cut it off like that? That's not how you end it.
How we supposed to end it, bro?
We go. Look, you gotta look like me. Like, you gotta look like this.
Like what?
Damn. I just felt like myself. Where the fuck did I just go?
What the fuck was you was?
I don't know, but
What the fuck did I do? Alright, bro,
Bruh,
turn
all
the
the
video off,
time
bro.
I don't even remember what just happened.
We gotta go.
All I know is
They
y'all
all
like this
just
video-
see you sit in the same location for the past 20
No, you don't
minutes, nigga. What
understand.
you talking about?
I didn't see me. It wasn't me right
Bitch,
here.
you going crazy.
I don't know where I went. Maybe I was in my other dimension. I don't know, but I was just right here. I thought we was laughing, woo woo bang bang. Now I'm back. Like, we was just about to end the video, right? I'm not even joking right now. Somebody give me some damn answers before I start fucking shit up.
Somebody sent her an EMT, nigga, y'all.
Oh, I went like boom, boom, and I swear to God, I teleported. Is that what happened?
I don't know what you talking about.
Bro, I ain't even just know right then and there, bruh.
Bro, I swear to God, bro.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Hey, get that. Stop.
Bro, in the video, bro.
Oh, yeah. It go like this. If y'all like this video, smack that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe down below, turn on post notifications, you know what I'm saying? Comment if Jamar look dumb as heck in this
Come
video.
on, bro.
And you know, we out. Peace. Skirt. I ate like a something, whatever the fuck he said. I don't. Oh.
Bro, in the video, bro.
I think we're supposed to be rapping. We're supposed to be rapping.
Bro, that was 10 minutes ago.